Hi there, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology trainer. Today in this Android tutorial of Joseph IT, I'm going to show you how to watch the set Wi-Fi password in Xiaomi phones. Okay, I'm going to settings first and then Wi-Fi. This is Redmi Note 6 Pro and currently I'm connected to Anova, as you can see on the screen. I just don't know the password of this connection. Okay, it is just set in my mobile, so I'm just tapping on it and it's asking me to scan the code. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the method that I'm going to use in order to know. So simply take the screenshot from there. I'm just using my 3 fingers on it. Okay, the screenshot has been taken. Now I'm going out, going to tools, and there you'll be able to find a scanner. Okay, yours may be in different location, try to find it out, and mine is in tools and going to scanner, and from there click on the image icon at the left side. Now you're on the gallery, good albums, recent, and the screenshot of the QR code you have taken. Okay, yes, as you can see, that is showing me that the SSID was Anova and the password is marked as a star. I'm just going to tap it and the password is there, Joseph Volt. The password of this SSID is Joseph Volt, and now I know the password of this connection, and next time I'll be able to use it on my another device. And that was the simple way of knowing saved Wi-Fi password in Xiaomi phones. Okay, and I really hope that you found this video useful. If you really did so, then please don't forget to like the video, share your experience, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. New Android tutorials will be there day by day. I hope you will be with us. Goodbye.